What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It feels like a long time since I actually sat down and talked to you guys. Just a quick update on what's going to be going on. You've probably seen from the thumbnail already. Man is building a gaming PC, well, gaming slash for editing and stuff as well. But I'm a complete amateur. But I've got friends, a few friends as well. I do have friends that are quite good at making PCs and whatnot, and hopefully that's something I'm going to use as a resource to help myself learn how to build a PC. I've got I'll just tell you what I've got. So let me start off with showing you the steering wheel. Are you ready for this? By the way, I know a steering wheel is not something you need to make a PC. The steering wheel is something I'm going to use once I make the PC, obviously. So I've got the Logitech G29. Is it Logitech? Logitech. Yeah, G29. This thing is heavy. For now, that's the steering wheel. Logitech G29. You know, Forza and Need for Speed is going to pop off using this, and I can't wait to bring that sort of gameplay to you guys. That's something that I actually intended for the channel when I first started it, to use it as a gaming platform. So I can't wait for this. Now the reason I'm building a PC is because, well, you can't buy a PS5. You can, and I thought, you know what, I'll kill two birds with one stone. I thought I'd make a PC that would be really good for gaming, and on top of that, it'd be really good for editing and photography and everything. Obviously my laptop's kind of taking a toll now, being a laptop. Certain capabilities, you know, this camera, 10 minutes of video is like 5-6 gig, so you know, I have to up my game, and I thought building a PC would be the best of both worlds, because I don't have to compromise with storage, with hardware, and I can always upgrade whenever I want. So got my friends together, and hopefully we're going to be building this PC. Now let me stop the talking, let me show you what parts I've got so far for the PC. Starting off with the CPU, I've got the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. I got this from CCL. I mean, just look at this. Just look at that. There's so much power in such a small thing. Technology is amazing, man. But yeah, that's an 8-core 16-thread processor. And yeah, that CPU is gonna do some damage. And I just can't wait. I can't wait till this PC is built. Obviously I would have done this within like a week or two, man. Instead of showing you the parts, I'd show you the actual PC. But like, you know what life's like right now, getting hardware. RTX 3070s drop every few weeks, and it's hard to even get hold of them. I did manage to get a 3070 from overclockers, but then they refunded me because it's out of stock, unfortunately. But forget that. So that's the CPU. Amazing. I probably shouldn't tap it like that. This is my favorite. This motherboard looks so sick. It's an ASUS Rogue. I just say Rogue. I know it's the ROG, but I like saying Rogue. Crosshair V3i, and it's the Dark Hero one. Let me show you this, because this is. Let me show you the box. Even the box is like. You wanna be careful with this. I don't like that sound. But let me show you this. I'm probably not gonna be able to pick this up and show you. But oh my god, this is beautiful. Let me just show you. And guys, just look at this, man. This is beautiful. I don't know why I love it so much, but this just looks so cool, man. That is some beautiful piece of technology right here in my palms. Public of Gamers. Focus, Steven. But yeah, that is some beautiful kit, honestly. This is the thing. I'll obviously put all the links below from where I'm getting the stuff. Obviously right now it's just 2 PC parts. Hopefully by the end of next week or the week after I should have the GPU, the case, the cooling, the fans and everything hopefully. The storage space and whatnot. The only thing that's really difficult to get is the the GPU. The 3070, the 3000 series is so difficult to get right now, but hopefully I should have that soon, and then we're gonna do a few episodes of just building it, and it's good for people like you and me who have no idea what they're doing when it comes to building a PC. I mean, I've watched Linus do it, I've watched Austin Evans do it, but I've never done it myself, so that's something I'm really looking forward to. Obviously getting the parts just hurts your bank account, but I'm hoping it's all going to be worth it when I finally build that gaming PC and it's finally ready. And I'm going to put the steering wheel on, play some racing games, play COD, go back to gaming. I've not gamed since September, sorry. I sold my PS4 and I've not played console since then, so I'm going to be bare rusty. But I cannot wait to start playing again, man. It's going to be the best. But for now, you know that there's a PC build coming to the channel and I'm going all out. No budget, just straight out top up tech. And honestly, this motherboard was £510. That CPU was £410 or something. And there's still more stuff to get. But I will keep you informed and updated. The next episode will probably just be getting all the parts together and finally starting to build it. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll give you a few seconds before you click off the video. If you have subscribed by now, peace out.
I'm just doing me, everything is on me.